Welcome to my channel, Epic Auto Revolution. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Rivian R1T, a truck that's rewriting what it means to drive electric. At first glance, its bold light bar and rugged stance make a statement, built for both city streets and untamed trails. But it's not just about looks. The R1T delivers over 400 miles of range, instant torque for thrilling acceleration, and a towing capacity that rivals gas-powered giants. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin designed for modern explorers, sustainable materials, a panoramic roof, and a seamless digital cockpit that keeps everything at your fingertips. Practicality shines too, with the famous gear tunnel for extra storage and a bed that adapts from camping trips to heavy hauling. And while this truck is tough, it's also refined, whisper quiet on highways and smooth over rough terrain. With pricing starting at $78,000, Rivian is proving that electric trucks can be adventurous, capable, and premium. The 2026 R1T isn't just a pickup, it's the future of trucks. Stay tuned with Epic Auto Revolution for more game-changing rides.